Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear student, today we start one topic here, factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. In this topic, here we study that is factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. Rate means a speed. How that a speed of chemical reaction should be increases there. Which factors are responsible to increase the speed of that chemical reaction? Before this video lecture, in my previous videos, we can study that is exothermic and endothermic chemical reaction. Then a different four types of chemical reactions there: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction. We study the different examples of all these chemical reactions. But this topic is very important topic, that is factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. Factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. Which factors are responsible there for affect the rate of chemical reaction? Means which factors are responsible there to increase the speed of chemical reaction? For example, firstly we discuss that is a first factor, that is nature of reactant. First factor is there, nature of reactants. How we discuss that is nature of reactants. Nature of reactant is a such factor there which can affect the rate of chemical reaction. We can discuss, dear student, we can discuss this topic by taking the examples. हा टॉपिक आपण डिस्कस करतोय examples घेऊन. Dear student, that examples are very necessary because they are useful for your understanding the topic, and you can easily write another some examples from that particular example. Dear student, when metal react with water form salt and hydrogen gas. One important point here, according to reactions of acid, when metals react with acid form salt and hydrogen gas. Look here, when metals react with acid forms salt and hydrogen gas. That is the common statement is there. Any metal react with any acid that forms a salt and hydrogen gas. Here we take an example, two metals are there having the different reactivity. That is aluminum metal and zinc metal. And both the metal gets react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Means acid is same, but two different metals are there. Depend upon their reactivity. They have a different reactivity. Means here, that is aluminum and zinc. We use the symbol of aluminum and symbol of zinc. Aluminum and zinc metals react with dilute HCl, forms salt and H2 gas, We write the equation here, or just here, which reaction can taken place fastly there? Which reaction takes place fastly? Means in this way, here, that is, which reaction can take place fastly here? That reaction between aluminum and hydrochloric acid takes place fastly than the reaction between zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अल्युमिनियम आणि डायल्यूट हायड्रोक्लोरिक ऍसिडचा स्पीड हा जास्त असेल कोणत्यापेक्षा की झिंक आणि डायल्यूट हायड्रोक्लोरिक ऍसिडच्या रिएक्शन पेक्षा. स्पीड ऑफ रिएक्शन which carried out between aluminum and dilute hydrochloric acid is greater than the speed of reaction of that is between zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid. Means in this way, here we study the examples of both or equations of both. That is Al plus 6HCl. Al plus 6HCl. Look here. Aluminium Al plus 6HCl, that gives twice Al plus 6HCl. Look here dear student, twice Al plus 6HCl, that gives twice AlCl3 plus 3H2. That is the equation between aluminum and dilute hydrochloric acid. Aluminum metal react with dilute hydrochloric acid, twice Al plus 6HCl, that gives twice AlCl3 plus 3H2. We take the equation of the zinc, that is Zn plus twice HCl, that gives ZnCl2 plus H2. In both the reaction that forms, in first reaction forms a salt of aluminum, in second reaction forms a salt of zinc. In both the reaction that hydrogen gas is liberated. In this two reaction, as compared here, that first reaction is a fast reaction. First reaction is a fast reaction as compared to second reaction. Why the speed of first reaction is greater there? Because aluminum metal is more reactive than zinc. In a reactivity series, aluminum is a metal which is more reactive than zinc. Hence, nature of aluminum is more reactive than the zinc metal. Hence, due to such more reactive nature of that aluminum, that rate of this reaction, that aluminum react with hydrochloric acid is greater than the reaction between zinc and hydrochloric acid. Means a rate of reaction between aluminum and dilute HCl is greater than the rate of reaction between zinc and HCl, rate of reaction between zinc and HCl, because aluminum is more reactive than zinc. In this way, here nature of reactant directly affect the rate of chemical reaction. The metal which have reactivity more, such metal reaction have a rate greater, a speed greater than the metal which have a less reactivity. In this way, that is, nature of reactant plays very important role here to maintain and to indicate the rate of chemical reaction. That is the first important point. Dear student, look toward this example. Please, it is necessary to understand the examples carefully. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, examples हे काळजीपूर्वक समजून घ्या. And you have a natural ability from this example. तुमच्यामध्ये ही नैसर्गिक ability there you can make another examples there and you can understand clearly this topic. Then we study the second part here, that is second point which can affect the rate of chemical reaction, that is a size of particles of reactant. Which factors is there? Another factor which can affect the rate of chemical reaction, another factor is there which can affect the speed of chemical reaction. In this way, which factor there? That is a size of particles of reactants. Size of particles of reactants means, you know, that is size of particle plays very important role to speed up the chemical reaction. You know, there is a same reactant there, but their particle size is different. You know, that is a reaction activity A and this activity B. Activity A and activity B. In this activity A, here you know there is one test tube. There is one test tube in this activity, and we take a pieces of calcium carbonate or Shahabad tiles. Pieces of CaCO3 and add the dilute HCl. Add the dilute HCl there. Dilute HCl. First activity, A activity. Then in B activity, a test tube is there. Test tube is there or beaker is there. In this beaker, we take a powder of CaCO3. We take a powder of CaCO3. Powder of CaCO3 and add a dilute HCl. Add dilute HCl. Means in this way, in both the activity, in both beakers or test tube, there is a same reactants are there, but a size of particle is different. In a test tube or beaker, we take a big pieces of Shahabad tiles, that is CaCO3, and add the dilute hydrochloric acid. In second B activity or second test tube, we take a powder of that same content, calcium carbonate, and dilute hydrochloric acid. In both this chemical reaction, the speed of chemical reaction in B activity is greater than the speed of chemical reaction in activity A, because here in activity B, here powder or small particles of CaCO3 are react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Here big pieces of CaCO3 react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Means in this way, if size of particle is small, then speed of reaction is greater. Look here, if size of particles is small, then rate of chemical reactions is greater. Means size of particles affect the rate of reaction. Size of particles affect the rate of chemical reaction. Means size of particles affect the rate of chemical reaction. म्हणजे पार्टिकलची साईज ही केमिकल रिएक्शनच्या स्पीडवर काय करते, परिणाम करते. मीन्स इन दिस वे हियर we study the factors affecting the rate of chemical reaction. Two factors we can study in this video lecture. We can study the two factors here which can affect the speed of chemical reaction. That is first factor, that is nature of reactant, and second factor, that is size of particle. In my next video lecture tomorrow, we can study that is another three factors which can affect the rate of chemical reaction. Please watch my videos continuously. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Science Vision with Bhandekar sir, and thanks for watching this video.